Home workouts anyone can crush to lose weight. We know it's hard to get started with a workout routine if you don't have a gym membership, different workout equipment, or at least a pair of dumbbells. By this point, we all must have known that proper nutrition and sleep play an important role in your weight loss journey. If you are looking to lose weight, then full body and compound exercises are just the right things you should opt for. Where to find such exercises? How to do them? Don't worry, we hear you. This video will help you to build muscles and lose weight. Build muscles? You must be wondering why you should build muscles when you want to lose weight. Actually, building muscles and losing weight go hand in hand. As you do the exercises, your muscles get activated and strengthened. This engagement increases your metabolism, the process which converts food into energy, eliminates metabolic wastes and burns calories. This becomes the major cause of weight loss. Stay tuned till the end. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post engaging videos every week. Home workouts. Number 1. Upper body workout. Long jump to backward crab. Stand tall, feet wide apart. Make fists and place them near your chest. Bend your knees. Do a squat until your butt is at knee height. Balance yourself and from that position jump forward. Land in the same squat position and as far as you can. Release your hands, come to a reverse tabletop position by lifting your hips to knee height and hands should be touching the floor, wrists under shoulder. Back to the same position and repeat. Biceps hold. Place a table or desk near you, stand near to it and place both hands flat underneath that table. Open palms, facing up, keep elbows by your sides and press palms upwards. Put tension in your arms as if you are lifting a heavy dumbbell. The backbone should be straight and keep your core engaged. Hold that position for 5 minutes and repeat. Triceps push-ups. Take a push-up position. Straighten your arms and upper body around, be far away from the floor. Bend your arms, place elbows by your side and lower your chest to the floor. It's like you are doing a push-up but mainly focusing on your arms and upper body. Hold that position for 2 minutes and repeat. Squat jack. Stand tall, hands by your sides and feet together. Jump forward and quickly lower your hips taking a full squat. Just when your butt reaches below knee height, stand back and repeat the same. Number 2. Lower body workout. Glut bridge. Lie on the floor facing the ceiling and bend your knees. Your feet should be flat and your arms at your side. Lift your hips and squeeze in your gluts, making a straight line with hips, knees and shoulders. This forms a bridge position. Try to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat. Running planks. Take a plank position. Hands should be shoulder width apart and keep your back straight. Keep your abs engaged and raise your right knee towards your chest. Keep it as close as possible. Lower your right knee and raise your left knee. Continue changing the knees and increase your speed. It's like you are paddling a cycle. After 2 to 5 minutes, stop. Take a break and repeat. Butt kicks. Stand tall, raise your right foot towards your butt and balance your left foot on the ground. Just when you raise your right foot, keep your left arm straight and bring that forward. Simultaneously switch the legs and hands, ensuring that when the right leg goes up, the left hand should come forward and vice versa. Hold each position for 30 to 60 seconds or more and repeat. Lunge with spinal twist. Stand tall, take a big step forward with your left leg and bend your right knee. Take a lunge position by touching the ground with your right knee. Slightly move your body towards the floor. Your toes should be on the ground and tension your upper left thigh. Place your left hand on your waist and twist your upper body to the right. Go back to the starting position and repeat the same on the other side. Number 3. Cycling workout. Just 20 minutes of cycling burns about 160 to 489 calories. Isn't that amazing? You can use an exercise or stationary bike at home for this. Even when you go for normal walks with your pet, try cycling outside. Before we begin with this workout, we need to understand the concept of intensity. Intensity determines how hard your body is working and the energy spent doing that work. Low. Normal breathing, very slow body movements as if you are normally walking. Moderate. Breathing quickens but no shortness of breath, light sweating. Can talk but cannot speak continuously, moderate body movements. High. Breathing is deep and rapid, too much sweating, can't even say a few words, fast body movements. Procedure. A. Get on your bike. Start pedaling at a low intensity for 8 to 10 minutes. B. Switch to pedaling at a moderate intensity for another 10 minutes. C. Follow this pattern. High intensity for 3 minutes, medium intensity for 2 minutes, low intensity for a minute, high intensity for 2 minutes, medium intensity for 3 minutes. D. Switch to pedaling with low intensity for 5 minutes. Doing 2 to 5 sets of 15 reps of each of these workouts depending upon your body fat. The entire point of these workouts should be no rest. You have to keep marching, jogging or moving in your place. Remember to take a 15 to 30 seconds break in between and drink water. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.